Question number 1. Remains of fortification have been recovered from which Chalcolithic site? Correct answer is option B, Balathal. Question number 2. From where are the antiquities of the Mauryan period Buddhist स्तूपा discovered होगा यहाँ पे ये wrong typed हो गया. Correct answer is option D, Berat. Question number 3. Only tribe of Rajasthan which is a primitive tribe. Correct answer is B, Saharia. Question number 4. What was the main purpose of the Eki movement? Correct answer is option C, freeing farmers from heavy revenue and unfair labor. Question number 5. Consider the following statements regarding Nathdwara style of painting. Correct answer is option A. Statement 1 and 2 are correct. It had influence of Vallabh sect. It is correct. And paintings portrayed on curtains in temples are called as Pichwai. Question number 6. Influence of Punjabi, Mughal and Deccan paintings is seen in which painting style of Rajasthan? Correct answer is option D, Bikaneri style of paintings. Question number 7. Who was the propounder of Kuch Mani Khayal? Correct answer is option B, Lachi Ram. Question number 8. Which of the following dances is not a tribal dance? Option A is not a tribal dance. Question number 9. Which of the following dances is performed by Kalbelia tribe? All three are performed by Kalbelia tribe: Shankariya, Bagadiya and Chakri. Option C is correct. Question number 10. Match list first with list second. List first में names given है जो कि associated with handicraft से associated है. जैसे correct option is D. Nathuji Soni is for Theva art. Kripal Singh Shekhawat is for blue pottery of Jaipur. Mohanlal Kumawat is for terracotta. And Kudrat Singh is famous for Meenakari. Question number 11. Place famous for Ajam print. It is Akola in Chittorgarh. Option C is correct. Question number 12. Masuriya saris which have characteristics beautiful jari border are famous of which place? Option C is correct. It is famous of both Kaithun and Mangrol. Both A and B are correct. Question number 13. Consider the following statements in regard to folk dramas of Rajasthan. Correct option is D. All three are correct. Ram Leela was started by Tulsidas. Song artist also called as Behrupiya, and Gawri is main dance drama of Bhil tribe of Mewar. Song artist also, it is also called as wrong type हो गया ये. Question number 14. In which month Baneshwar fair is organized? Option is C, Magh. Question number 15. Match list first with list second. Correct option is B, 2143. Babari Beej is second daylight of Bhadrapad. Tejadasmi is on 10th daylight of Bhadrapad. And Choti Teej is third daylight of Sawan. And D is भाद्रपद अमावस्या, रानी सती फेयर। Question number 16. At the time of independence, Rajasthan has how many princely states, chiefships, and territory controlled by central government? Correct answer is option B, 19, 3 and 1 respectively. Question number 17. Matsya Union was formed on. Correct answer is option B, 18 March 1948. Question number 18. Prime Minister and capital of Greater Rajasthan formed on 30th March 1949. Correct answer is option A, Hiralal Shastri and Jaipur. Question number 19. In which fort Thomas Roy met Jahangir? Option D is correct, Magazine Fort. Question number 20. Man Singh Pustak Prakash Sangrahalaya is located in which fort? Correct answer is option A, Mehrangarh Fort. Question number 21. Match the following. List 1 न्यूज़पेपर नेम है, लिस्ट सेकंड में उनके ऑथर हैं. करेक्ट आंसर इज ऑप्शन बी, त्याग भूमि बाय हरिभाई उपाध्याय, नवीन राजस्थान बाय विजय सिंह पथिक, लोकवाणी बाय देवी शंकर त्रिवेदी एंड अखंड भारत बाय जय नारायण व्यास. Question number 22. Ambika Mata temple is situated at. Option D is correct, Jagat in Udaipur. Question number 23. Author of Vashnika Rathod, Ratan Singh Mahesh Dasotri. Correct answer is option D. Question number 24. Rangadi is local dialect of which region? Correct answer is option C, Malwa region. Question number 25. Patwon ki Haveli and Haveli of Jalim Singh is located in which district? Correct answer is option B, Jaisalmer. Question number 26. Which of the following is Ghana instrument? Correct answer is Manjira. Question number 27. Which Devi is called as Vaishno Devi of Thar? Option D is correct, Tanot Mata. Consider the following statement and select the correct answer from the quotes given below. Option D is correct. Option 4 is correct. All options are correct. 1, 2, 3. Per capita milk availability in Rajasthan is higher than the national average. Operation Flood first was launched in 1917 in Rajasthan, and Rajasthan Cooperative Dairy Federation is the apex body of our dairy development in Rajasthan. Question number 29. Choose the pair of which both the saints were the disciples of Ramanand. Option D is correct. Question number 30. During which peasant movement incident picture published by Tarun Rajasthan, which Gandhiji called double diarism? Nimuchna peasant movement. Option C is correct. Question number 31. Which of the following sequence is correct regarding peaks of Aravalli in descending order of their height? Option B is correct, Dilwara, Kumbhalgarh, Kho and Roja Bhakar. Question number 32. Akkal wood fossil is located in which district of Rajasthan? Option B is correct, Jaisalmer. Question number 33. Pasture land of grassland, which are also called as grassland in Shekhawati, are called as. Option D is correct, Beed. Question number 34. Consider the following statement in respect to the location and extension of Rajasthan. Borkunda village in Banswara is the southernmost village of Rajasthan. It is correct. latitudinal extent of Rajasthan is more than longitudinal extent of Rajasthan. It is wrong. Option A is correct. Only one is correct. Question number 35. Great boundary fault separates. Option B is correct. Aravali and Hadoti. Question number 37. Arid area of Rajasthan falls under which category of Köppen climate classification? Option D is correct. Capital B, capital W, small h and W. Question number 37. Which of the following river crosses Tropic of Cancer twice? It is Niger and Mahi. Option A is correct. Question number 38. Ghaggar rivers enter into Rajasthan at which place? It is D, Talwada village. Question number 39. Which of the following is not a tributary of Chambal? Option D is not a tributary of Chambal. Leeladi. Question number 40. Which among the following is a saline lake of Rajasthan? Option A is not a saline lake of Rajasthan. Kavod. Question number 41. Which among the following national park of Rajasthan is largest in area? Option D is correct. Ranthambore National Park. ऑप्शन जो बी है डेजर्ट नेशनल पार्क, एनविस की साइड पे ये नेशनल पार्क है राजस्थान के अंदर, लेकिन राजस्थान की इकोनॉमिक सर्वे के अंदर इट इज़ नॉट एन नेशनल पार्क। वहाँ पर एनविस की साइड पे इसको लार्जेस्ट नेशनल पार्क है ये राजस्थान का, लेकिन आरपीएससी ने ये क्वेश्चन पहले पूछ रखा है और उसके अंदर उसने रणथंभौर नेशनल पार्क को लार्जेस्ट माना है। सो आंसर डी इज करेक्ट, रणथंभौर नेशनल पार्क। क्वेश्चन नंबर 42, अकॉर्डिंग टू इंडिया फॉरेस्ट रिपोर्ट 2019 द मैक्सिमम एरिया फॉरेस्ट इन राजस्थान इज अंडर। करेक्ट आंसर इज बी, प्रोटेक्टेड फॉरेस्ट। क्वेश्चन नंबर 43, according to 2011 census, the district having highest rural sex ratio in Rajasthan is, option D is correct, Pali. Question number 44, which district of Rajasthan is famous for Satrangi marble? Again option C is, again Pali is correct answer, option C is correct. Question number 45, which of the following mineral is associated with Jhamar Kotda region in Rajasthan? Correct answer is option C, rock phosphate. Question number 46, which of the following district in Rajasthan produce manganese? Option C is correct, Leelwani and Kalakoot. Question number 47, match the following tourist center and place. Correct answer is option C, सोनी जी की नसिया in Ajmer, लोहागढ़ fort is in Bharatpur, Chandra Mahal is in Jaipur and Jaswant Thada in Jodhpur. Question number 48, Battle of Khanwa between Rana Sanga and Babur was fought on. Correct answer is option B, 17th March 1527. Question number 49, who was the last to lead the deputation sent by Akbar in Mewar for peaceful subjugation of Pratap? Option D is correct, Todarmal. Question number 50, which one of the following is not a species of cow found in Rajasthan? Option C, Chokla. Question number 51, at the time of दिवेर, ये दिवेर गलत लिखा है यहाँ पे, प्रिंटिंग मिस्टेक है, दिवेर victory by Maharana Pratap in 1582. Diver was under the charge of Sultan Khan Gori. Option A is correct. Question number 52. Provisional Government of Independent India founded by Subhash Chandra Bose in 1943 was reorganized by which one of the following countries? Option D is correct. Second and third, that is Ireland and Korea. Question number 53. Who among the following wrote in Young India that the revolt of 1857 was both political and national? Option C is correct. Lala Lajpat Rai. Question number 54. Which four agro-food parks are developed by RICO? Option A is correct. Bolnada, that is in Jodhpur, Kota, Alwar and Sriganganagar. Question number 55. One of the India's largest solar park is being developed in Rajasthan at Badla. Question number 56. Which of the following is not the literary composition of music of Rana Kumbha? Kalanidhi. Option D is correct. Question number 57. Which ruler is called as forerunner of Maharana Pratap? Option A is correct. Chandrasen. Question number 58. Rajasthan Index of Industrial Production is not based on which of the following? Option D is correct. Crude oil. Question number 59. Mahatma Gandhi Adarsh Gram Yojana was launched on? Option A is correct. 27th November 2019. Question number 60. Which international organization is providing assistance in National Hydrology Project? Option C is correct. World Bank. Question number 61. Which of the following is not a Kharif oil crop? Option A is correct. Linseed. Question number 62. Who among the following is not awarded Padma Vibhushan 2020? Option D. PV Sindhu. Question number 63. UNFCCC Conference of Parties 25 organized from 2nd December to 13th December 2019 at which place? Option A is correct. Madrid. Question number 64. India's rank in World Competitive Index to 2020 is? Option C is correct. 72nd. Question number 65. Miss World 2019 winner is Tony Ann Singh. Option D is correct. Question number 66. Who is appointed as new chairman of Asian Development Bank? Bank on 2nd December 2019. Option B is correct. Question number 67. Which is the first state in India to start Pashu Kisan Credit Card Yojana? Option B is correct. Haryana. Question number 68. India's first transgender university is located at Kushinagar. Option C is correct. Question number 69. Which is the first country to declare a climate emergency? Option A is correct. UK. Question number 70. Smile program launched by Rajasthan government on 13th April 2020 due to lockdown in the wake of COVID-19 pandemic is related to education. Option B is correct. Question number 71. Indira Gandhi Matra Poshan Yojana is implemented in which 4 districts of Rajasthan? Option D is correct. Banswara, Dungarpur, Pratapgarh and Udaipur. Question number 72. Virus that causes the coronavirus disease. Option D is correct. SARS-CoV-2. Question number 73. Consider the following pairs: tributary and main river. Option D is correct. Only third is correct. Question number 74. In India, how many states share the coastline? Option C is correct, 9. Question number 75. The Himalayan range is very rich in species diversity. Which one of the following is the most appropriate reason for this phenomenon? Option B is correct. It is a confluence of different biogeographical zones. Question number 76. Which of the following are the characteristics of jet stream? Option B is correct. 1, 2 and 3 are correct. Question number 77. What was the reason for Mahatma Gandhi to organize a satyagraha on behalf of the peasants of Kheda? Option A is correct, only one. The administration did not suspend the land revenue collection in spite of a drought. The administration proposed to introduce permanent settlement in Gujarat. It is wrong. Question number 78. During non-cooperation movement, which fund was established by Mahatma Gandhi to finance the movement? Tilak Swaraj Fund. Option C is correct. Question number 79. To protest against the Second World War, who was chosen as the first individual satyagrahi by Mahatma Gandhi in October 1940? Option A is correct, Vinoba Bhave. Question number 80. The lower Gangetic Plain is characterized by humid climate with high temperature throughout the year. Which among the following pairs of crop is most suitable for this region? Option D is correct, paddy and jute. Question number 81. Consider the following statement in respect to Paramparagat Krishi Vikas Yojana. Option C is correct. Both 1 and 2 statements are correct. Its aim is to promote organic farming. Yes. Participatory guarantee system certification through cluster approach is one of its components. Yes. Both are correct. Question number 82. Which of the following statement is incorrect? Incorrect regarding goods and service tax. It is based on principle of origin-based consumption taxation. It is incorrect because it is based on the principle of destination-based. Question number 83. As per the census 2011 decadal population growth rate for the period 2001-2011 of India and Rajasthan respectively are. Option D is correct, 17.7 and 21.3. Question number 84. Which of the following is included while estimating national income in India? Option A is correct, 1 and 2. Corporate tax and social security contribution. Question number 85. Among the following which is not a center of cement industry in Rajasthan? Option D, Gade Pan. Question number 86. Which waves are useful for line of sight communication as well as satellite communication? Option B, space waves. Question number 87. The urine sample of diabetic patient contains. Option C, glucose. Arteries supplying. Question number 88. Arteries supplying blood to the heart are called coronary. Option C is correct. Question number 89. The most abundant source of iron is green vegetables. Option B is correct. Question number 90. Which among the following is not an allotrope of carbon? Option C, carborundum. Question number 91. Example of a cross-linked polymer is. Option C, bakelite. Question number 92. A solution with pH 2 is more acidic than a solution of pH 4 by a factor of. Option B, 100. Question number 93. एग्रीकल्चर, इंडस्ट्री एंड सर्विस सेक्टर का शेयर पूछा है इन्होंने। अप्रॉक्स वैल्यू ऑफ द फाइनेंशियल ईयर 2018-19। करेक्ट आंसर इज ऑप्शन डी 25, 32, 43. Question number 94. A multi-purpose irrigation project Parvan on the river Parvan is being executed in which district of Rajasthan? Correct answer is option B, Jhalawad. Question number 95. To create awareness in the community on the social issues, Meena, Raju and Gargi Manch have been constituted. Which classes students are involved in these two Manch respectively? Option A is correct. 6 to 8 for Meena Raju and 9 to 12 for Gargi Manch. Question number 96. In how many district mid-day meal scheme is being implemented in Rajasthan? Option D is correct, 10. Question number 97. Which state has been awarded as the best performing state for implementing Beti Bachao, Beti Padhao scheme on 24 Jan 2019 and on 6 September 2019 by the Ministry of Women and Child Development? Option D is correct, Rajasthan. Question number 98. Which of the following is not conservation reserve in Rajasthan? Option C, Fulwari ki Naal. Question number 99. Mughal school of painting declined during the reign of? Option B, Aurangzeb. Question number 100. Who is the author of Mechkatikam? Option C is correct, Shudrak.